Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey everybody, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your noodles instantanea. What is it? Noodle fideos instantanea. Instant noodles. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Today I got something, the next to last of the Huong food meat the manufacturer series. It's their Huong shrimp. But see, there's shrimp. The pack is paper with a plastic liner on the inside. So yeah, let me sizz this open. How is your day going? Mine's good. I got some water that just got done boiling. And here noodle block. And then we have a soup base sachet. In it goes. It gets 3 minutes, and since usually what you're supposed to do is pour the water over the noodles, so I'll just give it a flip, and I will put a lid on it, and there we go. So yeah, what's going on? The people out in the world lately have gotten weirder and weirder. The interaction with people out in the world, I should say. So I left here like around 4:20 in the morning and went on a nice long walk. Got 7 miles in. And it's like, well, I was walking by a bus stop and some lady there, she doesn't say hi, doesn't say please. She's like, "You gotta smoke?" Whoa. Like, I just ignored her. Usually I go, "No, I vape." I just like, whatever. I don't know. It's like, you're an adult. I expect my kids to be kind of slow on the please and thank yous, but jeez, you gotta smoke? That was like literally the tone of voice she had. I had to like turn for a second to actually see that it was a lady. So, you gotta smoke? No, ma'am. I don't have a smoke. No, I don't. But it was that, and then it's 1:30 now. There's this like parents meeting for kids that are going through the program my son does. Just kind of like a Q&A thing, I think. I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's you can ask questions of people there, like teachers and stuff. And it's live, and I thought it'd be kind of neat because, I mean, things are crazy here, man. It's like my kid's bored. Doesn't get out as much as he used to. Doesn't go to school, obviously. It's all on the phone. So I'm thinking like, yeah, maybe I'll have a couple questions, but first I'll just like go to one of these meetings. I mean, it's not really going anywhere. It's on Zoom. So the last 2 weeks I've been trying to go to this stupid meeting. Guess what? It's Tuesday. Guess when it is? It's on Wednesdays at 1. So for the last 2 weeks I've been trying to go to a meeting a day early. So next week, or no, tomorrow I'll go. I'll virtually go. I really don't have to go anywhere. What's nice is this tripod has this little doohickey. So I can slap my phone on that, and it's just like totally sweet for doing meetings and stuff. But Zoom's, I don't know, Zoom gets a bad rap. I like it. I guess there's easy ways to hack into people's Zoom meetings. I don't personally hack into people's Zoom meetings. It sounds like my kids are on their tablets right now. It sounds like they're shaving something. I don't know what. But yeah, shrimp flavor. Try the broth. That's pretty good. Honestly, that's really good. That works. That's a flavor I enjoy right now. So, what are we gonna do to it? I am prepared with a bowl. With some mung bean sprouts. And what else we got? We got egg. Hey, egg, how you doing? We're here now. We're ready for you. Trying to crack down on the reviews this week. This will be another week bereft of the chocolate break. The finest program you may have never seen on YouTube. If you go to thechocolatebreak.com, you can see what you've been missing. We've got over 80 episodes of love and hate for cheap and expensive chocolate. So come on board. The water is dirty and brackish. And, oh, come on, get back in there. Sometimes you just don't want to behave. There you go. What was I gonna say? The water is dark and brackish. And, God, what did I do? Oh yeah, you need to go to the the Google Play Store, that is. If you have an Android phone, if you don't have an Android phone, get an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store, ladies and gentlemen, and go type in the Ramen Raider. And then you can get the Ramen Raider app, and by doing so, you're showing love for yourself. You know, like really, it's really important that you take care of yourself in these trying times. And one way to do that is to download the Ramen Raider application for your Google Android-based cellular telephone machine. That's what I say. Woo! Woo! So I joined. I should maybe just talk about this in the next episode. Maybe that's what I'll do. No need to rant at this point. Oh, the kids are listening to the music. And the music in the background's gonna be too loud, and YouTube's gonna say, you can't get the advertising revenue. You know what I'm talking. It'll say, oh, that other music. I heard it. We're gonna add some of these little suckers. I never shake this. Let's see what happens if I shake it. Yeah, that's why. Too quick. Too quick. It's built to spill, folks. But there. Now we have our shrimp Vietnamese instant noodles in this bowl. And we're gonna do some important music so you can watch with the important music as Rotato works its magic just after 1:30 p.m. It's the Ramenrator instant noodle recipe time. Here we go. Alright, thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is going to be some beef from Vietnam. This has been Hans the Ramenrator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't forget to go out and get the Ramenrator app over at the Google Play Store. And yeah, go to theramenrator.com, see over 3,500 beautiful, full color reviews, and over almost 700 episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That's insane! Enjoy. Bye-bye.